Green Environment Part 4. Students, in last class we learnt about conserve our environment, waste separation and plastics in Tamil Nadu. In today's class, let us learn about environment friendly materials and litter free environment. Let us start now. Environment friendly materials. Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganism are biodegradable. Biodegradable means the things that comes from soil again go back to soil and converted as a soil. In the conversion was done by the microorganism. Microorganism means they are very small organism. We cannot see through the normal eyes. We can see only with the help of microscope. That is called microorganism. மைக்ரோஆர்கானிசம்னா நுண்ணுயிரிகள்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்வாங்க. அதை நம்மளால கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியாது. மைக்ரோஸ்கோப்போட ஹெல்ப்பால தான் அதை பார்க்க முடியும். So the things comes from the soil, again when it go back to the soil, it converted as a thing as a soil. That is called biodegradable. They can return to the soil and enrich the soil. Enrich means it gives some vitamins to the soil. Materials which are beneficial to the environment and do not cause harm are called eco-friendly materials. So, the eco-friendly materials do not create any pollution in the environment. For example, if we are using carry bags, once it used, we are throwing away. So, but it will create the pollution to the environment because it is not a biodegradable thing. It will be as it is a carry bag for a more than 1,000 years. Okay. But if you are using a banana leaf, within 3 months it becomes as a soil. So it is called as a environment friendly materials. Next, let us see the examples. For example, banana leaves are used as a plates. They are fully biodegradable and do not contain chemical like thermocol, plastic or coated paper plates. Okay. So, this is the best example. If you are using banana leaf, within 3 months or within few days, it converted as a soil. Next, bamboo is used to make many things such as bags, dustbins and even toothbrush. These are all called environment friendly materials. Eco-friendly activities. Students, now let us see what are the eco-friendly activities. That means the activities which saves our environment. First one, reduce your paper use by writing on both sides of every sheet. Because of that, we can save the papers. Next, stop using plastic straws. Use reusable bags. For example, if we use the cloth bags, we can wash it and use it again and again. So once if we are using the carry bag, after one time usage, it will get damaged. We have to throw away, isn't it? So always try to use the reusable bag. Give up chewing gum. Buy stainless steel bottles instead of plastic water bottles, because many varieties of plastics do not get decomposed or non-biodegradable. So it will pollute our environment. If we are using stainless steel water bottle, once it get damaged, again we can throw it in the wastage section. It will go for melting. Again it will come as a new product. So there is no environment pollution. So always try to use the stainless steel water bottles or tiffin boxes. Reuse containers for storing leftovers. So we should not use the one-time packing boxes. Okay, reusable boxes we should try to use them. These are the eco-friendly activities. Teacher, some environment-friendly materials are not biodegradable, but very strong and can be used for many years. Reuse is the second R in the 3 R's. By reusing something again and again, we can reduce waste and conserve the environment. So, by following the second R, among 3 R's, by following the second R, we can save our environment. Rahul asking next. Can you please give us some examples? Teacher, yes, sure. So, what is the teacher saying? By following the reuse method, we can conserve our environment. When we are using the stainless steel things, it is not non-biodegradable, but we can use it for a very long period of time. Even after the damage, again we can convert it into other vessels. So it will not pollute our environment. Stainless steel water bottle and snacks box are some examples of eco-friendly materials. Stainless steel does not leak chemicals into your food or water, so it is safer than plastic. These can be reused for a longer period of time. So students, please try to use the stainless steel water bottle, tiffin box and snacks box. It is very eco-friendly and very good to our health also. Okay children. Next, litter-free environment. Litter in our environment is unsightly and spoils our experience of nature. It is also dangerous to animals that indigest it. Students, litter means rubbish such as paper, cans and bottles left lying in an open or public place. That means we should throw the dust in a dustbin, and we should not scatter them on the road, and we should not simply throw away on the environment. It will spoil our environment. So we should not do. We should avoid this. That is called litter free. Okay. Clean up and loose waste is one of the best ways to keep our community and the environment green. அதாவது நம்மளுடைய சுற்றுப்புறத்துல நம்ம போடக்கூடிய குப்பைகளை அதற்கான இடத்துல அதை பிரிச்சு நாம போடணும். அப்படி இல்லாம ஓப்பன் ஏரியால அந்த குப்பையை போடும்போது அது என்னவாகும்? It will spoil our environment. By removing litter from environment, we are ensuring that it does not end up in our oceans. So if we are throwing the waste in the open area, immediately when rain or due to some other reason, it will reach the ocean and it will totally spoil our environment. So always try to throw the waste or dust in the dustbins in the proper manner. That is called litter free environment. Next, National Green Crops. NGC. It is the short form of National Green Crops. It is a national program initiated by the government of India. The motto of NGC is, where there is a green, there is prosperity. It involves NGC school students in protecting and promoting the conservation of natural resources. They participate in activities like biodiversity conservation and waste management. So it is running in the schools and it try to save our environment. The NGC was started by the Indian government. Their main motto is, where there is a green, there is prosperity. So students, always try to keep your environment clean and litter free. That is safe for us and for our upcoming generations also. Okay children, bye.